The majority of people are broke, not because they don't make money, but because they believe lies about money. Things like, you need to be rich to invest, or the stock market is basically gambling. These myths keep people stuck living paycheck to paycheck, while others quietly build wealth. In this video, I'm going to expose the 7 biggest investing myths that keep you broke. These are the beliefs that stop you from ever getting ahead financially. And by the end, you'll see exactly how to flip these myths into truths that help you grow wealth over time. Trust me, some of these are going to surprise you. Myth number 1. You need a lot of money to start investing. Bees. This is one of the oldest myths in the book. People think investing is only for the rich, like you need thousands just to start. Totally false. Thanks to apps like Robinhood and companies like Fidelity, Vanguard, and even platforms that let you buy fractional shares, you can start with literally $1. For example, if you invest just $5 a day, which is the cost of 1 cup of fancy coffee at 8% annual return, in 30 years you'd have over $200,000. That's the power of compound growth. Myth number 2. The stock market is just gambling. This one drives me crazy. Gambling is rolling dice, it's pure luck. Investing is about owning real companies that produce real products, earn profits, and grow over time. Jeff. Short-term trading can feel like gambling, but if you're buying strong companies or index funds and holding long-term, that's ownership, not luck. Warren Buffett said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." Myth number 3. You have to be a finance expert, son. People never invest because they think, I'm not smart enough. I don't understand Wall Street. The truth, you don't need a finance degree. Index funds were literally invented for everyday people who don't want to study charts all day. For example, if you had put $10,000 into the S&P 500 index fund 30 years ago, it'd be worth over $200,000. Today, no stock picking, no expertise required. Myth number 4. Investing is only for the young. It is true that the earlier you start, the better, but it's never too late. Even if you're 40, 50, or 60, you can still benefit. For example, if you're 50 and invest $500 a month for 15 years at 8% return, you'll still have nearly $175,000 by retirement. So don't think, I missed the boat. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is today. Myth number 5. Investing is too risky. When people hear about stock market crashes and immediately think investing is dangerous, but the real risk is doing nothing and letting inflation eat your money. For example, if you invested during the 2008 crash and held on, you'd have tripled your money by today. The key is understanding your time horizon. Over a single year, yes, markets can go up or down, but over any 20-year period in history, the stock market has always gone up. Always. Myth number 6. You need to pick the right stock. Hollywood makes us think you have to find the next Tesla or Amazon to get rich. That's simply not true. Most professionals can't even beat the market consistently. That's why Warren Buffett himself recommends regular people invest in simple, low-cost index funds. It's not about hitting home runs, it's about consistent singles that compound over time. Myth number 7. Investing will make you rich overnight. This is the myth that gets people scammed. They see flashy ads, turn $100 into $10,000 in 30 days. That's not investing, that's gambling. True, investing is boring. It's slow, steady, and predictable. But that's what makes it powerful. The secret isn't speed, the secret is time. That's why the richest investors in the world are masters of patience, not luck. So there you have it, the 7 biggest investing myths that keep people broke. If you've believed any of these, don't beat yourself up. Most of us were never taught how money really works. But now, you know better. Remember, you don't need a lot of money, you don't need to be an expert, and you don't need to gamble on the next big thing. All you need is consistency, patience, and the willingness to start. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more investing tips, and comment below. Which myth did you believe before watching this video? I'd love to hear your story.